How to fix the error camera isn't responding on Samsung Galaxy S25 or the S25 Ultra. So when you see this error, if you open up the camera, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes you are faced with that error message. So what you can do is simply try to restart the device. So tap on the restart button and restart your phone. Now once the device is booted, you can try to launch the camera again and see if that works. If it doesn't work, then what you can do is swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down, then we tap on apps, and then scroll down and tap on camera. In here, tap on storage, and in here you want to tap on clear data and clear cache. So tap on that and that should fix the problem. Now we launch your camera app, and this time you'll be able to open up the camera and take a picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.